Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with Bank Muscat. First, open the Wallet app on your Apple device, like your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then, tap the plus sign to add a new card. You can easily scan your Bank Muscat debit or credit card or enter the details manually. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card, often through a one-time passcode sent to your registered mobile number. This setup process usually takes less than 2 minutes to complete. Making payments in stores with Apple Pay and your Bank Muscat card is incredibly simple and fast. When ready to pay, just double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone or the display of your Apple Watch near the contactless payment reader. You will see a check mark on your screen, indicating your transaction has been successfully completed in just a few seconds. Using Apple Pay for online and in-app purchases with your Bank Muscat card offers both convenience and enhanced security. When shopping online or within an app, simply look for the Apple Pay button at checkout. Tap this button, then select your preferred Bank Muscat card. Confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This method ensures your card details are never shared with the merchant, providing an extra layer of protection for your financial information. Apple Pay, combined with your Bank Muscat card, offers significant security advantages. Your actual card number is never stored on your device or on Apple servers. Instead, a unique encrypted device account number is used for each transaction, making it incredibly secure. This means you can enjoy faster and more convenient checkout experiences, both in stores and online. Plus, you continue to benefit from all the existing fraud protection and security features provided by Bank Muscat for your cards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.